there's so much music in this town that gets overlooked, but there's talent everywhere. My name is Bryan Moffitt. I was born in Jackson, raised in Lexington, and currently reside in Clarksburg. My style of music would be primarily country with some traditional roots, but along with some southern rock. I'm a big Waylon Jennings fan, Hank Williams Jr., Willie Nelson, anybody traditional, Keith Whitley. Like a lot of the new artists, Morgan Wallen, Luke Combs. And then of course in the southern rock, there's nobody better than Leonard Skinner or Marshall Tucker Band, Allman Brothers, stuff like that. I was 14 years old when I got my first guitar, but I always had a love and passion for music. And Charlie McLean's uncle was coming around all the county schools in Henderson County and giving lessons, and I was too poor to take the lessons or even purchase a guitar. So my cousin bought himself a guitar and took the lessons, and then I learned from him and got his hand-me-down. I've had the opportunity and the blessing to be able to open up for lots of country music artists that were a lot of my heroes, people like Tracy Lawrence and Darryl Worley, Darryl Singletary, Confederate Railroad, Jesse Keith Whitley, Lori Morgan, just all kind of people, Gene Watson, Mickey Gilley. In 2017, I won 6 Tennessee Music Awards, including Entertainer of the Year, Country Artist of the Year, Songwriter of the Year, Video of the Year, Song of the Year, and Male Vocalist of the Year. What makes the Jackson scene so unique is the diversity of the music that you find on a Thursday, Friday, or Saturday night around here. I mean, you can go to one club or venue and hear traditional country, or you can go 2 minutes down the road and hear a blues band or a rock band or a folk band or something like that. And it's just great to be able to, somebody like, well, I'm not in the country mood tonight. I feel like rocking a little bit. So, and there's always somewhere that you can go around here to find that. I've written songs different ways. I've come up with a melody first, or I've been riding down the road and come up with a few lyrics, and of course either grab a pen and paper or your phone and hit the voice recorder real quick and just jot something down. But I'm not one of these guys that can go in this little 8x8 room and sit down with a guitar and say, hey, let's write a song today. It's got to be inside me. It's got to be something that I've personally experienced, or that I've overheard someone or know someone that might be going through that type of situation, good or bad. And the biggest thing is playing your original material and seeing the people sing your songs back to you. That's when you know that you have a true fan, people that listen to your music, buy your music, know the words, buy the t-shirts, buy the koozies, the CDs and stuff like that, and the downloads. This song is called Friday Night Football Town. It's about growing up in a small town and about how they support the football team. And you've seen movies to where football type movies to where you're driving through Main Street and everybody's turning the signs over in their businesses from open to close. They're getting ready for the big game because they support their team. It's all about small town love and love for small town football.
Start lining up at the quick stop. Pop a trunk full of cool with some twist tops. So Mr. Bill, he never missed a game. Still talks about the time that we made stay. Always says we ought to run that ball. Crowd screaming for the home team. First down on 3rd and 15. Quarterback and a homecoming queen with some backseat love going down. When there's a party on Main Street, lose any better, just let it be. Either way, we're all on the same team in this Friday night football town. preaching Jesus might put you on the spot. Are you coming on Sunday? Cheerleaders fire up the fans in the stands. We even got lead guitar in the marching band. If you're from a small place, you love it. Crowd screaming for the home team. First down on 3rd and 15. Quarterback in a homecoming queen with some backseat love going down. Winning, there's a party on Main Street. Losing, you better just let it be. Either way, we're all on the same team in this Friday night football town. Hammering a little moonshag in a classroom. 50-yard line, midnight playing. Crowd screaming for the home team. First down on 3rd and 15. A quarterback and a homecoming queen with some backseat love going down. Winning, there's a party on Main Street. Losing, you better just let it be. Either way, we're all on the same team in this Friday night football town. Friday night football town. Yeah.